Let me tell you something. It's mad pretty. It's mad easy. Do you hear what I'm telling you? Like, I feel like it's perfect for spring. It's just short and straight to it. It's giving you a little fluff, stop playing. But I like this one better than Monet. I ain't gonna sit here and hold you. This is one of my new favorite wigs. But y'all watch the review. You decide for yourself, sis. Just press play. I mean, you know, you're already in here. Just continue watching. Continue watching. What is good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, Sugar Carrie. If you're new here, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn on the post notification bell, girl, so you can hit your sis up so you don't miss anything when I upload. If you ain't new, welcome back. Let's go ahead and get it popping. I got my little purse on there, so I feel cute. You know how we do. My husband about tired of me. But anyways, so we're gonna be talking about this unit that's on my head. And I'm gonna tell you off jump, okay? I went outside and I did a little mini photo shoot before I came back in to do the intro and outro part of the video. You feel me? Because I was like, this is cute. I gotta take some pictures. I love the unit. I love that it's glueless, okay? Do you know what I mean? It's glueless. Look at this. And I love that it fits my head and it's just pretty. I don't know if you are new to my channel, you haven't saw me review Sensational Roné. That is like one of the really popular wigs up here on this channel because y'all feeling it. I'm feeling it. I feel like this is a longer version. You get more parting switch from front to back. I like this one better, okay? It's a little bit longer, but I genuinely like this one better. But I don't want to say too much, so you guys can watch the video and make a decision for yourself. If you want to use a timestamp to just get to certain points of the video, you are free to do that. But you know I'm going to give you the good, bad, the ugly, everything along the process, and then we're going to end up this video. And I also want to let you know, your sis got merch, okay? Y'all love your girl. You want to support your girl. Go ahead, check it out, carriemmerch.com. It's always linked in the description box. It also shows up at the bottom of the videos. And I do have it on the store tab, which is next to the community tab. We have t-shirts, we have mugs, which are bestsellers, super affordable, mad cute, inspiring, motivational for women. So go ahead and check it out. Check your girl out, okay? But let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so first of all, my voice sounds worn out. It's late and I'm tired, so work with me, girl, okay? So this unit is from Outre. It's from the Melted Hairline Collection, which is my favorite collection, okay? They're supposed to be offering a frontal effect hairline. Now I have it in the color THAIS, in the color DR2/maple brown, and it's a 12-inch unit, okay? This comes with a deluxe wide lace part, which means you get 2 inches and 5 inches worth of parting space, okay? It comes with an elastic band, a comb on each side, one in a nape, and adjustable straps. This is what it looks like straight on my head. Absolutely beautiful. I already knew she was gonna be a winner because I ain't even zoomed nothing yet and I was already smiling. Now the hairline definitely looks good. Now they have some units where they tweeze it a little bit better, but this one isn't bad. I'm not mad at it. It looks really nice. And I'm actually getting that nice lace from ear to ear. So if you have a big head, you're going to be fine. I have a 22.5 circumference size head, which is borderline medium big. It's like right in the middle. But like I said, I didn't have any problems with the fit. Now the lace is thin and it's called Melted Hairline for a reason, okay? The lace I absolutely love. I will be going in and tinting it with some of my foundation. I ran out of spray, girl, okay? You gotta do what you gotta do. And that's all I did. I did not adhere it, meaning I did not add any glue, any spray, any gel. This is a 100% completely glueless unit, okay? This top area right there where you see me sweeping the hot comb through is a little bit thick. It's not filler hairs in there. It's just a lot of tracks up there that they put, which I'm not mad at because I feel up the unit pretty nicely up there. But you know, I like to slick my hair back a little bit, so I had to go and add a little foam. I had to make it work. I did spray some got to be glue up on it, and then I will be laying it down with a wig grip just to get it a little flat. But the unit is very easy to style. If you're not doing all this extra brush back, sweep back, and molding like I'm doing, then you wouldn't even be needing to do all of this. All you would need to do is just tint your lace like I did, and then add your powder to your parting space in your hairline, and literally that will be it. This is a true plap and go, and I feel like this is a beginner friendly unit. Like, sis, this is so easy. I will tell you that I loved it so much that I went outside and took pictures, and I actually have worn this unit 2 more times after this video, and I don't think this ain't going to no wig sale. This is going to be one of my everyday go-to wigs because it's so easy, so pretty. The length is perfect for every day. You don't have to worry about it rubbing up against your clothes, being in your face. It's just so gorgeous. I really do like this unit, you guys. Honestly, it does look like a longer version of the Sensational Ronate, and I personally like it better. I like the length a little bit better, and I do like the parting space being a little bit longer. It's just pretty. The lace looks good on my skin. Listen, I have no complaints. I have zero cons with this unit. Do you hear me, girl? Do you hear me? But I'm gonna go ahead and let you take it in. You decide, and y'all let me know what you think. Got the saint face. Got the what? Got the This wig right here, girl. Okay. And I'm gonna say this, like, I had this wig for a little minute. I have a bunch of wigs that I have to review, and I'm looking at them like, girl, you need to get to it. And this is one of them, and I'm like, girl, what took you so long to get to it? I'm happy I did. I feel like it's perfect timing. This is like a super springy type of wig. Like, listen, I like all kind of wigs, all kind of styles, all kind of lengths, all that stuff. But this particular wig, I will wear this like every day because I love wigs that are kind of short, so you don't have to worry about it, you know, being in your way. I like it, okay? It's just so pretty. It's just pretty, and I didn't have to do much. This was like one of the easiest wigs I've done. Like, this was super easy. Like, a beginner could do this. Like, girl, and it's just giving. It's just giving straight out of the pack. Like, ooh. But that's it. I don't want to rant too much. Y'all know how to. I love to talk, okay? We're going to save that for a chatty video. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video right on up, okay? But I'll see you guys in another video. So make sure you hit that subscribe button if you didn't do so already. And check out my merch if you ain't do that, okay? Everything will be linked below. I bet you y'all clicking right now like, let me go get this wig. I know. Don't play. I know. Don't front. Okay. So comment down below. Okay. Comment down below and let me know if you're going to pick this wig up or not. Because I want to know. I'm curious. Okay. Bye. Bye for real. So you make up shitty reasons for want it out. See, I'm not even mad, boy, but I'm confused. Shouldn't you be keeping me at 10 when you're 2? I can't help but feel sympathetic. I do. You think you're bad.